In this video, we'll see how we can integrate ReCaptcha functionality into our WordPress websites from. Before doing that, let's learn what ReCaptcha does. ReCaptcha helps a website differentiate between real users and online bots. For example, Google asks us to verify ourselves as a human. So to add a ReCaptcha functionality, we need to have contact form 7 installed in our WordPress website. So let's go to our dashboard. So click on the plugins. And let's check for the existing plugins. As you can see, the contact form 7 is already installed in our website. If you don't have it, make sure to install it. Now let's click on the add new button. Let's search for a plugin, ReCaptcha, and click on it. We need to install this one. Install now. We have to activate it. Now this is not the end. We have to get site keys and secret keys from Google ReCaptcha to make it work. So let's go to Google ReCaptcha. So if we go to Google ReCaptcha, then we will see a dashboard like this. Then we need to click on add, create. As I already have a Google ReCaptcha secret code and site key, so I don't want to create another one. I will use the existing one. So this is the site key and this is the secret key. We need to copy the site key and go to our dashboard, and we need to go to contact, then integrate. Now scroll down, set up integration, paste the site key, copy the secret key, go to dashboard again, paste the secret key. Now save changes, set up integration. So the site key and secret key has been integrated. Now we need to go to ReCaptcha version. From here we need to click ReCaptcha version 2 and click on submit. Now we need to copy this and go to contact forms. Now edit contact form. We need to paste the code that we have copied earlier, but we need to make sure that we are pasting it above the submit code. Now save it. Now let's check our website. Let's reload our website. As we can see, a ReCaptcha functionality has been appeared, but our site is on local service. That's why it is not showing the ReCaptcha functionality. If you want to see the actual ReCaptcha functionality, we need to upload our website to a live server. Thanks for watching this video.